In this video, I'll be going over my August YouTube AdSense, and this is going to be for my current main channel, which is just called Taylor Haselton, and I have about 4.2-ish subscribers as I'm recording this video. So I'm going to go over lots and lots of data and information for my YouTube channel, and something really exciting happened for August, and I'll get into that later on in the video. So first, looking at my content, I'll just click on these. I had more views, or about the same views, for July and about the same impressions. And then I did publish more shorts, so that's why I had 62% more views and 102% more shown in feed, more likes, more subscribers. But that's because I wasn't really posting them before. I didn't do a new live video, so this is my old one from a while ago. And then for posts, it looks like my impressions are down, but my likes are up, and my subscribers are down, but still in the positive. So overall, that's really great. And then if I hit all, it shows this whole graph and just so much information. I did have about 201.7K impressions for August, and how people found my videos mostly were from YouTube search, which I think is really great because that means people can just search them up and they're showing up within the list. And browse features is YouTube like promoting them and putting them on impressions, or like on the home page sort of, or on the sides of videos, things like that. Pretty sure that's what that means. There's a little info button here. Traffic from the home screen homepage, subscription fee, and other browsing features. And then shorts, external channel pages, and other. But I'm really happy most of my traffic is from YouTube search because that means my videos are able to be found. So moving over to audience, I had 2.3K returning viewers, 13.2K unique viewers, and 221 subscribers added, which is about the same as before. And then there's so much more information down here, but I won't get into all of that for this video, since this is mostly going to be about my revenue and showing you what happened that I really have no idea how it happened, but it did, and I'm super thankful for it. So let's go to overview for what you've all been waiting for. So I made a total of $131.18 on YouTube for August through AdSense. This I think includes also a membership that I received. So subtract about $2 or so from that, and that should just be from AdSense. I got 22.6K views, 748.1 watch time, and then 221 subscribers. So I did get more views, but that's most likely because of the shorts, and the watch time and subscribers were about the same, and 116% more revenue. So this is my first time ever making over $100 in a month on YouTube since I've been monetized, and I got monetized in November 2022 on YouTube. So it took me about 9 or 10 months, probably more like 10 months, 10, 11 months even, to make that $100 in 1 month. I've been able to get paid, but it's been taking more than 1 month to do it since they add up the revenue. So around the middle of the month is where things really changed for me. So I've been making about $2, $1, sometimes $3, like around that range. And then starting to get to the middle of the month, I made $4.10, $4.59. I'm like, that's really cool. Back down to $2.40. And then I had this day where I made $9.30. And then $8, 29, $6.70, $5.48. And I haven't dropped below $3. Like, I haven't dropped below here. I think this is my lowest except for, or maybe not, down here, $3.15. So that's been my lowest so far for August after that, which is just unbelievable for especially my channel. Another $6 day, $5 day. And I'm like, what is going on? Because my views aren't drastically different. My views are about the same. My watch time is about the same. So I'm like, what is changing? So one note, looking at my RPM here, is averaging $8.93, which is, I think, maybe about double what it has been. And these two videos here have made the most amount of money. Now you might be thinking, oh, did one of the videos go viral or get a lot of views or anything like that? And no, they did not. And I'll be going more into detail about that just in another minute or so. But I just want to show my different income streams here, or different types of income. So for watch page ads, made majority $128.67, memberships $210, and short feed ads $41. And then if I hit see more, it'll probably show YouTube Premium would be my guess. I'm not sure how easily it's going to load, but let's try that. And this is my very first time getting a membership. So thank you so much to that person who decided to sign up and just pretty much donate to my channel, because right now I don't have a lot of time to actually post a lot on the membership page. So for YouTube Premium, it was $1.36 right there. So right now my membership program is pretty much like you get priority replies to comments, and you do get, I think, some badges, but a lot of it is to simply support what I'm doing here and support my channel and support me. And I do plan to have member specific content at some point. It's just I'm really do not have the time right now to devote to that. I just have a lot going on. But super, super thankful for the person that signed up to be a member. It really makes me so happy. My first member ever. I did not get a super yet this month. I have gotten a super before, and this is my short feeds ads and then my watch page ads. And I definitely posted a lot more shorts than I have been. And then again, my highest day for August was $9.28. My lowest day was probably $1.47 right here. And then I haven't dropped below $3 for August since after that, which is just unbelievable. So what happened? Like, why the drastic difference? My views are about the same. No video just took off. Like, what's going on? Well, those top two videos, for some reason, around the middle of the month, the RPM and CPM just went really high. My CPM for August 15th on this video was $267.44. That is unbelievable. Like, unbelievable. So if I change that to my estimated revenue, you can, or just add that to the graph here. If it will load, I can move over to the other video while it's loading. So looking at this video, my CPM, so this is CPM, got up to $116.35. And this is already showing my estimated revenue. So you can see that I was making some cents here and there, normally probably lower CPM. And then my CPM went up all of a sudden over $1. Here my CPM was $62.50. I made $1.65. Like, I honestly don't know. I don't know why. So looking at my revenue, I was making, 69 cents, 30 cents. My CPM went up to $81.12. I made $1.52, back down. And then on this day, I made $4.57. Like, that is just unbelievable how high my CPM has been on multiple days for these videos. And if I look at views, just to prove that I wasn't getting a lot of views, here it is. I was getting like 50, 80 views a day, like nothing drastic, but to make over $4 off of that in a day is just unbelievable to me. So let's see here. For that day, I got 49 views. 49 views got me almost $5. Like, if that video had gone viral, gotten thousands of views in that day, I can't even imagine how much money that would have been. So I really have no idea what caused this. Now, this is the RPM. My RPM was $93.16. Like, what? Like, how? Like, I have no idea. These videos have been published for a while now. And nothing drastically changed. Like I said, like, this is the RPM for this video. Highest was, let's see what the highest RPM was. Probably right here, $26.16. But I made $128 that day. Like, still, that's a really high RPM, especially for my channel. And my RPM has been pretty low. It's been around $4, $5, like really not that high. For it to be that much is just a lot. And my views, like, they're not super high. The highest would be here, 101. Potentially over here might be higher. No, 95. So I really have no idea what caused this or anything like that. But this drastically changed my channel or changed my income, at least for this month. I mean, my RPM and CPM just went really high for a few days, and I have no idea why. But anyways, that is why my revenue is so much higher. I can show my previous month's revenue, but just to show the average CPM is $23.76 for the month. And then my RPM, I'm not sure what it was, but it was probably between like $10 to $18, somewhere around there on average. But really, I think it's just because those two videos, for some reason, had a really high RPM and CPM. So looking at my earnings by ad type, my most was the skippable video ads. And I'm going to hit see more here just so that I can probably get the exact RPM for you all. Just give it a second to load. And then I'll go over my previous month's revenue or just show a few of them so you can see the difference. Because again, this is the first time I've ever made over $100 a month for like a YouTube paycheck. And it looks like it doesn't want to load. But that's okay. I can just exit out of this, or I'll let it load and we'll go over here. But it's just unbelievable. So looking at this video, again, simple video ads is the most, but that CPM is just so high and the RPM is so high, at least for my channel. Like my channel does not average that high. So let me see if I can add RPM here or not. I'm not sure if it will let me. Yep, here we go. I don't go in here a ton. I do look at my analytics almost every single day, but I don't always go into this see more tab and view all of this. There's just so much data here. It's a little bit overwhelming sometimes, but honestly, I feel like I could look at all this data for hours, and I would love to figure out why they increase so high, because if I could have over $200 CPM on a video and an $80 RPM, then I could make so much more money and I could provide probably a lot better content, because if companies are willing to pay that much for the videos, then they want to make sure they're putting them on good videos. And I don't do this just for the money, be transparent. Like, I don't want you to take that as like, oh, you're just in it for the money or anything like that. I do love doing YouTube. I really, really do. I did this before I was even making any money, but I also want to be a full-time content creator. So I do have to care about the money. And if I can find a way to increase my income, then that increases my chances of being able to be a full-time content creator. So I really hope that didn't come out wrong. I realized after I said it, that probably sounded a bit weird. And so looking at my RPM, has it pretty low here at $5.79. But again, most of my videos are around that amount. So I guess that makes sense. But some of them are averaging higher, so you can see here. And then I had those really high days. So honestly, I have no idea. Like, I have no idea why they went up so much or anything like that. Like, I really, really don't. I'm going to change this to lifetime. That way we can hopefully view all of my previous months as well. So for lifetime, I've made, let me just change this to all, $596.97 between the watch page ads, shorts, feed ads, membership, and supers. And it looks like my highest day is this one here, and that's when I got a super. I think it was a $15 super, and then after the fees and stuff. But my highest actual day without a super is going to be the August 15th. I think that was just watch page and shorts. I don't think that included the membership. I could be wrong. But either way, I think it'd still be my highest day. But I wasn't monetized for any of this time. So I didn't even start making money until November 7th was the first day I started making money. And it's not a lot. Not even $1 a day sometimes. And then recently is when it started to go up right here because of those videos. So very thankful for that. Looking at my previous months, we'll just look at these. So July, $60.66, June, $98.65. I was so close to the $100 there. And May, $70.13, April, $45.88. So this is the very first month. Like I said before, I made over $100 in a month, and shows the top videos. And those two again are the top videos and where all the income came from. So I know this video was a bit longer, but I hope this was helpful. I hope going into the analytics more was interesting. And if anyone has any input or ideas as to why my RPM and CPM just all of a sudden went way up, because those videos have been posted for a while and nothing drastic changed in the views. So if you have any idea as to why that happened, I would love to hear your input and feedback on that, because I'm truly intrigued how that happened, because obviously I'd love to continue to repeat that and continue to have a higher RPM and CPM. And I just really hope this is helpful. I'm super thankful, super grateful, very excited to have my very first month over $100 on YouTube. And I hope to continue that. And so my next goal is probably over $200 a month on YouTube, and just hopefully continue going up from there in terms of revenue. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was inspiring. I'd love to know if you have any questions or comments. Feel free to leave them below. Just please remember to be kind and respectful. So thank you so much for watching and listening to this video. I hope that you have a great day.